the party, see. You can bring shorty. And roll out the horny, just because the party's going. What do you have for this? I don't know what I'm saying first. I'm going to represent the synergy. They know some of the same. You qualified from them that you don't know. The English pass and gone, but I just want to deal with the road with the road we have to trolley. You understand me? From your born, you're dead. Level! Well, my party people in the house, are you ready for this? Girl, shake your body, cause you're ready for this. Well, just move that booty, cause you're ready for this. Boom, bam, bam. Again, party people in the house, are you ready for this? Girl, shake that body, cause you're ready for this. Well, just move that booty, cause you're ready for this. Hey, Panta, go out the car and sing. You can meet me at the party. You can bring shorty. Wanna roll out the hardy, then because the party's going. Just meet me at the party, sing. You can bring shorty, sing. I rub a dub in at the party, yes, because the what do you want to do, DJ?
Party people in the house. Now, pull up. English right there, I know. You know how you man down English sing that song there? But this is one of the songs them where I think all if you picked them band last night, I think after when they turned 15-year-old, after 15 years of this is one of the dancehall music will live forever. Because everybody have to meet somebody at a party. Some given time of your life. Listen to me, play that song again. Dan English, love your brother. Selassie. Play that rhythm again.
Don't you turn away. Level! Well, my party people in the house, are you ready for this? Girl, shake your body, cause you're ready for this. Just move that booty, cause you're ready for this. We know here. Party people in the house, are you ready for this? Girl, shake your body, cause you're ready for this. Just move that. Can't you come on? And sing. You can meet me at the party. You can bring shorty. Come on, roll out the hardy, yes, because the party going all night long. Just meet me at the party. You can bring shorty. Come on, roll out the hardy, yes, because the party going all night long.
We be rolling the party, rolling in the vent. Meet me on the laptop, take me to your vent. Tell me when you dance up, I take you to your vent.
And the room excited.
I sing a Jimmy name, not chilling up place. Big up English, I'm all in there. Roll up, Danny, if it was a blessing, I need you.
And sing, you can meet me at the party. You can bring shorty. Come and roll out the hardy, yes, because the party's going. Level! Roll up in a drop top, cruise up in a Benz. Lick me on a lap, lap, lock me to your friends. Baby, when the fun stop, I'll take you to my ends. Well, Egg Nog, me give no pound, shilling and pence. Girl be screaming lot of excitement. Tell me at the young king in the girl's apartment. Mr. Per dominant and sing. Just meet me at the party. You can bring shorty. Man, roll on the hardy, yes, because the party's going morning, noon, and night. All of the God in them and send them to go up to them. All of our prayers and love the Almighty, man. Man will grow. I'm going to blow breath. Level, I'm going to talk to them again and rub it up. And sing, fools will say in their heart, there is no God. You know, see a mad, they must sing mad. Hey, Robert Dub singer, J fools will say in their heart, there is no God. You know, see a man. I want to them fool you with a panta. And then I sing, no one seems to notice the singer beside the road. Cause I was just a billboard artist, the fussy them leave out in the cold. But I seems to have a purpose, and it hang on deep within. So I take on the streets at night time, knock up junior, robot, duck them king, and sing fools will say it. Love it, I'll get a verse, you know.
Pull up.
Hey, we don't even have said no. Hey, oh girl, my baby is gone. Ooh, girl. Last night, while I was sleeping, my baby packed her things and leave me tight. can do. Now I'm so lonely, lost and confused. I don't know what to do. I'm all alone in this room, wondering why. How could this be? My baby is gone, leaving me lonely. Hey, take it from the TOP, my brother. Take it from the top again. Oh, yeah, yeah. My baby is gone. Nog and Sensi Tea representing for the ladies. Last night, while I was sleeping, my baby packed her things and leave me silently. Now I'm so lonely, lost and confused. I don't know what to do. I'm all alone in this room, wondering why. How could this be? My baby is gone, leaving me lonely. All I'm thinking of is my baby and me. Of those days, how we used to be. Right now, I'm lonely, I'm not happy. My baby is gone, she walked out and me. All that is left is just memory. My baby is gone, gone. Now I'm in search of her love. Where could she be? I ask myself this question. Why is this happening to me? I thought you and I would be lovers endlessly. My heart is not the same. Please come back and love me. My heart is not the same. Please come back and love me. Only you. Hey, give me an next job. Love has found its way in our hearts today, yeah. Love has found its way in our hearts today. Well, ladies, when your love is beautiful, there's nothing can go wrong. When two are be together, it's like a everlasting song. It's like a everlasting song. The moon shine bright over yonder, and it makes me feel so fine. I'm so thankful, baby, that Jah has made you mine. I'm so thankful that Jah has made you mine. Oh, love has found its way. Rubber Dub Tuesday, don't know, Sensi Tea representing. Sing a J. Yeah, man.
Always found his way in her heart.
Egg Nog say no worse than
Ladies and gentlemen, give Sensi Tea about a weaver. Now, I'm not hearing that. That sounding soft. Give me my brother weaver! Yeah, that's our slogan when we lose up at the event.